Another AI tool you get from Envato is the Inspo Gen. This is kind of like Pinterest, but not exactly. At least that's how I see it. This is also a free tool for everyone, not just members. To get there, open Envato Elements and sign in or log in. Then, on the top menu, you'll see the AI tools. Find the Inspo Gen and click it. Here you'll see lots of designs that Envato curated from the internet, and you can get inspired by them for your project. You can scroll up or down, but it stops at some point. If you want to refresh it, you can press the R key on your keyboard and it will show different designs. When you find something you want to explore more, you can click it. You'll see two buttons. One is a heart and the other opens a menu. If you click the heart, it opens a small window where you can create a board, and then you can save this to a board, kind of like what you do on Pinterest. You can click the pencil to change the name of the board. If you click the other button, you'll see a delete option, which will delete that board from here. Or you can click to add a new board. Just give it a name. If you click the three dots, you can click the button to see the source of the image, and it will take you to a different website where the image was curated. This is kind of like Google Images, where you get to see lots of images and then click to visit the web page they appear on. The other button is to copy the link so you can share it somewhere else. That way, you don't need to go to the website and copy the URL from there. If you want to see what you saved in your boards, you can click the button at the bottom of the page, and you'll see your board list there. Now you can click the board you want to see, and it will open the board. This looks the same as the Inspo Gen page. You can see the designs and move them around to get them in the order that suits you for your inspiration. When you right-click a design, you get a new menu. The first option is to add this design to a different board. You'll see the other boards you have in the list, and you can copy it to that board. The next button is more like this, and it will open the Inspo Gen page again with that image in the center. Now you can explore more designs that look different and weren't on the first Inspo Gen page. You can save anything that catches your eye. Back to the board. You can click delete on a design, and it will delete it only from that board, so you don't need to worry about deleting something from Envato. You'll also see the same buttons to view the design on the source website or copy the URL. If you want to share this board with other people, you can click the link icon at the bottom right of the page, and it will copy the board's URL. Now you can share it. And anyone who clicks this URL can view the board you created. The other person can't change the board, just view it. If they log in, they can save those designs to their own board. At the top left, you have two buttons. One takes you back to where you were before you opened the board, and the home button takes you to the first page of the Inspo Gen, so you can continue exploring new ideas. That's it. This is a very new tool, and my guess is that they're going to expand it to help designers get inspiration with it. But if you'd like to try it, you can click the link in the description and just sign in to Envato Elements for free. This is something you don't need to pay for. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.